always be tight. Family every single day and night.
It's Martello and I'm back. So hello with another video. And today, y'all, I have a special guest. I can't see my face. So today, y'all, we will be doing a mini mukbang. I don't know where we're about to eat at, but I just wanted to do my intro. So it's like a mini mukbang, a really small vlog, because we finna ride to the store too. So don't we look cute? It's the Patty Baby sister. Watch out. That's gonna be my signature move. Watch out. No, you can't do it. I said my signature move.
Oh, my bad.
But yes, so I'll see y'all when we get our food. I'm at the store. Y'all hear that? It sounds like it's gonna rain, so I got the umbrella. Look at the clouds. So, we did order our food already. So look.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So we ordered our food. Shut up! Don't edit it out.
Oh, she's superior.
So we gotta go. So we picking out dinner right now. We're getting steak, potatoes. You know, y'all gonna see when we eat again. But just wanted to show y'all that we were in the store.
Gang, gang, gang. You finna do your shit up in here?
No. What's up, y'all? We finally got our food. Yeah. We got put that down there. Oh, we got our drinks. First, let's just show y'all our drinks real quick. I got two. She got one of these. We got garlic and ranch sauce. And then okay, for real though, y'all. We got pizza. And then we got some hot wings. And then some breadsticks. Yeah, sure. Over there. Look at all that sauce. And you can put it up here, baby sister. I don't know if you're gonna eat none of them.
No, I know I'm not gonna eat none of them.
Okay, good. They got clothes a little bit, whatever.
I was about to say when my bracelet over.
So I guess this a mukbang or whatever, y'all. This the mukbang part. We already did a little bit of the vlogging. What? It was garlic. I'm chewing in my head.
No, you're not. You know I don't.
Okay, so y'all. You play too much. So I did tell y'all that I was gonna do a vlog for my first video. I ain't even go nowhere, so I didn't vlog for y'all. Had that one YouTube bitch. She was like, I know y'all want to buy it. She be like, wait, she be like this, y'all. Wait, y'all.
This
It's
is
so
nasty.
It is. I'm. Okay.
Those bastard thumbnails. You don't find it funny? You don't think it's nasty? You was about to say you do. Yes, you was.
I'm editing that part out.
Like, go edit that part out.
No, I'm just playing. I'm not gonna edit that part out because she got her. They didn't give us no napkins.
Cause it's nasty.
Okay, what's she talking about? When you spend money on food, baby. Let me stop just dipping my stuff in there. Let me pour it right here like she got it. I should have got some plates. Like I was finna get some plates.
What if I'm in this box? Does it have turned dark? What if, like, I'm in the box?
What do you mean eating the box? Like actually eating it or?
Like, don't you see how it's like light and then?
Oh, girl.
No, it's real. Like, you see how stuff coming off the box? I am.
Girl, put it down.
Yeah, I don't
These
know about
hot
this
wings
stuff.
taste like they just put hot sauce on there.
They did. That's how they always do it. I'm glad I bought chips.
What you mean? What you mean?
You using it all.
No, I'm not.
Yes, good.
I hate eating hot stuff because it's too hot. Like, who makes this stuff? Yeah. Bro, do you not see?
Tastes like barbecue. It tastes like burnt barbecue.
Hey!
You taste it? It smells like it too. They
Yeah.
taste and smell.
It just smell like it.
No. Yeah.
Only thing you doing is criticizing the food.
Oh my god, this food is so good, guys. And yeah. My lip kind of burned though.
Mm-hmm.
I don't lie about that one. Tastes like burnt. I mean, it tastes like good barbecue.
Nah, bro, my lips is burning. I'm not getting the joke. I don't find the joke. I don't see it.
It's right there.
What's up, y'all? We are back. I don't know what the heck happened. I'm for real, but I'm gonna just eat these hot wings on camera, and I'm gonna get the rest of this pizza to whoever wanted upstairs, because y'all,
I ate the top there.
y'all know. It's not bad, but it ain't good.
If we did the worst reveal YouTube channel thing, I would say Domino's is the worst reveal restaurant, because how hot wings taste like barbecue wings, but burnt, and how it tastes like we got our pizza from, what is it called?
Little Caesar.
Yes, Little Caesars.
Don't do them, cause baby.
And Little Caesars pizza is better than this. It just tastes like that after it get warmed up. So no, ain't no excuse for that.
Well, I'm finna eat them garlic sticks. Oh, we got some garlic bread sticks, y'all. They not bad. I had one in the car. I ain't gonna. Ooh, look at that army jiggle. So y'all can't tell me I ain't thick, cause boo boo.
You got jokes this whole video.
At least eat a garlic stick on camera.
I ate a pizza.
Teeth still white. In person and on social media. No, I still gotta edit, so whatever you did, I'ma still see it.
I didn't do nothing.
Serenity! What is so funny? What is funny? What's the joke? Y'all, am I funny looking or something? We look alike, so what is you laughing for?
I had never said you was funny. Like, I just laughed because you suggested that. I told you look like the alien.
Okay, our garbage disposal, right? For the sink, you know how you flick the thing? Oh.
Why you just laugh like that? Like you just
Yo,
got
wait,
your
Serenity,
teeth
what is this? What is this? Is this a flat or is this a wing?
They could. You only had one job.
They had one job to make this nasty food. And there was 6 of them in there, all men. Alright, y'all, this concludes this video. Give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. I know it was really quick, but honestly, I don't even care right now.
With me will always be tight. Family every single day and night.